Hello friends, today we'll learn about the Shadbala print and what is the signification of Shadbala print. When you see on any software where you will see this Shadbala strength, you will understand that what that strength means. Shadbala print is sum total of Sthanbal, Digbal, Kalbal, Chestabal, Naisargikbal and Drishtibal. And whatever value we get out after sum of these, we divide it by 60 to get the Shadbala in rupas. Out of these 6, 5 balls are in positive and only Drishtibal is that can be in negative as well as positive. For our example horoscope which we are using in all the videos, the Sthanbal is positive, Digbal is there for Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, and only Drishtibal is negative for the case of Venus. So if we total sum all these 6 balls, we are getting these as the total sum. If we divide it by 60, we are getting Shadbala print in rupas. For Sun it is 7.7, for Moon it is 7.3, for Mars it is 6.63, for Mercury it is highest at 8.72, Jupiter it is 6.3, and Venus 8.03, and Saturn 7.0. These are the basic calculation and the rank. Jupiter is the lowest and Mercury is the highest in the Shadbala print strength of the calculation. From the Shadbala print, we calculate the Shadbala. For calculating the Shadbala, there are a minimum requirement of each planet. That what should be the minimum requirement? For Sun, it is 5. For Venus, it is 5.5. For Saturn, it is again 5. For Mars, it is 5. For Mercury, it is 7. It is the highest requirement for the Mercury. For Moon, it is 6. For Jupiter, it is minimum 6.5. Whatever Shadbala Pinda we have received in previous calculation, when we divide it by total strength by 60, we divide that value with this minimum value and then we get a relative strength. If we divide Sun by 5, we are getting 1.54. For Venus, we are getting 1.46. For Saturn, we are getting 1.408. For Mars, we are getting 1.32. For Mercury, it is 1.24. For Moon, it is 1.21. And for Jupiter, it is 0.97. Based on that, we get the ranking. So, the base bar of the Shadbala is 1. Based on that, we see whether my Sun is 1.54, Venus is 1.46, and Jupiter is 0.97. Now you have understanding of the thing that why it is in the when we do the calculation in 100, 200, 300 or something, but the actual Shadbala value comes out into 1 point something, and so because we calculate the rupa value and then we divide it by the minimum value so that we get the final answer. We know that the rank of the Sun is highest in Shadbala for that horoscope and Jupiter is lowest. Thank you.